front of me is HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Biometrics and Password. Now tap on Lock Screen Password and click on OK in the pop-up. Now click on Change Password Type to pick the best one for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or alphanumeric password. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, it's time to create it here. If you made a mistake, hit Redraw at the bottom left corner and redo it. And to continue, enter it again to confirm it. Then choose Done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, hit Add and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, or you wanna do it later, hit Cancel. You can even do that in the same settings. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on, and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!